Hello and welcome to PPLIO. In this session, we will guide you through PPLIO's timer feature. The timer functionality allows you to pause time tracking during periods outside of your work hours. This feature is especially useful when working on a personal device. To get started, navigate to the Launchpad, where you'll find the timer icon located at the top right corner. Click the play button to begin time tracking, and if you need to pause, simply click the pause button. If you happen to forget to resume the timer, don't worry. PPLIO will gently remind you with a notification to turn it back on during your work hours. This feature is available on the desktop app once your organization's admin enables it via the settings. The timer can be toggled on or off at both the user and group levels. With PPLIO, you're set for a seamless and stress-free workflow. Align with your organization, stay productive, and soar high. Thank you for watching.